Hey everyone, Mike here from the Canadian Workshop. We're just filming a video inside here. We've got a remote for a Philips TV that quit working. None of the buttons work except for the voice control. So none of the buttons work except for this one right here. This is the only one that would work. All these other ones, the power, the volume up, down, nothing there would work at all. So what you do to fix this issue is at the front of the remote, there's the black cover. You remove the black cover using a small screwdriver, a flat screwdriver. And then you have these two pins on either side. There's one there and one in here. So using a screwdriver again, just pop those pins off. The cover will pry off. Then you take off the silicone button pad. And if you look underneath, you'll notice the IR sensor. And in my case, you can see, maybe if I could zoom in here, the infrared sensor actually has a broken wire on it. If I move this out of the way, you can see that the contact is broken on that sensor. So that's why the white button, which connects through Bluetooth for the voice, works. But none of the other buttons work because the other buttons rely on this infrared sensor. So we're going to go ahead and fix that now. So all we need to do is solder this connection, and then the remote will be back up and running again. So what we need to do is just make sure that these pins are back aligned where they need to be. Gently, you don't want to break them more than they already are. So I've got my solder station heated up. I'm going to apply a little flux to the wires just to ensure a good connection. Make sure the wires are clean. Then all I needed to do is apply a little bit of solder to reestablish the connection. And we're good. So we just need to put the remote back together. Put this back down here. Flip this back over. And you need to just watch, when you take it apart, the center button, the OK button comes off. There is a locator pin here in the center to make sure that the button is aligned properly. So you want to make sure that that's where it needs to be. And what you want to do is, starting from the bottom, just start snapping the remote back in together. There you go. So it's back together. I just need to put in the IR cover, test out all the buttons, make sure all the buttons work. Then we should be back in business. There you go. TV's back on. All the buttons work again. I can navigate. Volume up, down. And it's fixed. So it's just that easy. Well, thanks for watching my video. I really appreciate it. Hopefully you were able to get your remote fixed and back up and running again. If you did, please leave a comment down below. I'd be interested to see how many people were able to solve their issues following my video. And if you haven't done so already, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be notified of any of my upcoming videos. We'll see you on the next one.